3zinferno again. So, round 2. These are your packs.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, not mul.
Not mul, not mul.
No mul. Whoa, that's upside down.
Yeah. They're like this.
Yeah. Weird.
Oh, upside down.
That's weird. But mul. Upside down mul.
Yeah.
Yep, mul. More tachyon pack opening here at the...
Super.
Okay.
That's mul.
Mul. Más o menos. A mixing language. Chinese. If you want me to speak Chinese too, just say something. Raise your hand.
Oh, yeah, need foils.
Ay, mul.
Super.
Okay.
I don't know. I think it's mul.
Yeah, I think so too. I don't really know.
It's mul.
It's not the big name stuff.
Wow, I'll put the Yugioh thingy.
The mul?
Scramble, scramble.
Is it good?
Ultra.
It's good.
Pulling all holos.
Yeah. Yeah, you pulled 3 hollows already.
Yeah, but mul holos.
Mul hollows. You want mole hollows, not mul hollows.
What is this?
Mul.
No, that's good.
I don't know what
Really?
that is. Okay, it's okay. Level 6. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Is this the destroy guy?
Yeah, destroy.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay,
that's
okay, it's good, it's good. Just kidding. I thought it was something else.
Ist geil, das ist, Alter. 5 so, 5 so.
Mul.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Not all mul. Okay, not yet.
This is a dragon pack. 3
All
babies.
dragons?
3 babies in 1 pack.
That's good, I guess. He's like $1, $1.
Blaster. And no foils.
No. Hitting the dry streak. You're hitting the dry streak. I'm saving these. Oh, I'm saving these for me. I'm opening these. All of them. Because you guys are pulling nothing. 2?
Another Gigi.
Oh, yeah, you let me open these for sure. Don't touch these. I'm opening those.
Fire formation, something mul.
Mul.
$10.
Oh, it's $10 you said.
Whatever, still. That's not what we're looking for. You can't make the money back like that. Come
I
on.
know.
Come on.
Ultimate.
Aye. Not what we want. Not what we want.
I have an ultimate. Why this place?
You got an ultimate.
Just 1 out of 2 displays.
Yeah, but it's not ratio. No ratio. These are judge packs, guys. No ratios. No ratios. They're like blisters. They're not ratios. Not like a box where you get guaranteed 2 secrets, 2 ultimates, 2 whatever.
Tachyon, yes.
Yes. What? Better.
$25, $30.
Better. We're getting there. We're getting there.
Damn, still no secret, right?
Okay, it's all in my 12 packs. You remember his good 12 packs? I have all of it.
I don't know what's coming yet.
Try it. Oh, another one.
Pull some other ultra. Channeler. Channeler
Well,
is better.
isn't that bad, but...
Yes! Draco set? Ah, Judgment.
Another judgment.
Finally.
Yes.
Fucking finally. Upside down again, huh?
Yeah, all of them.
All of them are upside
All
down.
packs are upside down.
Huh.
5 are in there.
5 are right and 5 are wrong.
4 are upside down.
4 are upside down, yeah.
That's a cold
There's a
ass
judgment. We're quoting some rap song over here.
Colm Stella Somber.
Okay. Somber.
That was that. Like, no.
Okay, take these. Take this. So we got
You
a...
guys go.
Oh, you're covering it. Right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Spell book of judgment. Nope, no help. All mine.
Yeah.
Yes. Packs. It's like Christmas. Opening packs is like Christmas. I thought I saw Blackberry in there.
We're nearby, right? Isn't it?
Actually, I want a mat. I want to fan this shit.
A family? Is it good?
No, I think it's common.
Yeah, it's coming.
Is it
What
common?
the heck? Hold on, I need a mat.
A
You have a
mat?
mat? You have a mat?
Why is everything nearby? Not far away.
Oh, sorry. Mats.
Steamrock map. Make magic happen. What?
You're not the magician.
I'm a blackjack dealer.
Really?
No?
Okay.
I could be though.
You're a blackjack dealer, Buddhist. Damn! That's my pack!
Moo!
That's mule, what you're pulling. I need another secret.
Cardinal.
Damn, Cardinal!
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
good.
Good one.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, I should make my money back.
Hysteric sign.
Is it good?
Something. I don't know how much, but something.
Yeah.
10 at least.
I will be at $200.
Yeah, a spellbook is worth it, period.
Oh my god! Getting in there!
That's the best I could talk about.
See? You talk shit to me, I'll do better.
Better draw than me.
Yeah.
Better
His
than
is
me.
better, yep.
Well, I think he has more dragon.
That's true. Oh, we haven't looked at it yet. Not really.
Not really.
Another Omega. Done, son. I want my free drink. Yum, 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 yum.
What do you pull? Also pretty good. So.
One more.
Ricky
Secret?
will kill us.
Secret? Yes? No? Secret? Okay.
Not a super.
So these are the pulls. Look at that. Spellbook of Judgment. Secrets. Ultimate. Ultra, whatever. These are pulls. In order of usefulness, I guess. Sort of in order.
There's some supers in there.
Bam,
Pretty
bam,
good.
bam.
Okay, guys.
Check it, guys. 3zinferno signing out.